nice. It is a lollipop. You want it out?
Yeah.
You want to eat the pop?
No.
Okay. Can you say thank you, Meme and Saba and Katie? Say thank you. Thank you, you're welcome. What are you thanking them for? Oh, and you figured out how to open it. I'm so glad I had you open this at 7:30 at night. Caleb?
Huh?
Can you tell Meme and Saba and Katie thank you for your present? I know. It is a lollipop. I know it's a lollipop.
No.
Oh. You want that lollipop?
Yeah.
Okay. Say bye-bye, Meme.
Bye, Mommy.
Say bye-bye, Saba.
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye, Katie. Say thank you. Look at my phone. Say happy Valentine's Day.
No,
Good job.